Free Notion templates. If this guide helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. First, head over to Notion.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. But if you don't, no worries, just sign up. It's totally free and only takes a minute. Once you're inside your Notion workspace, look at the bottom left of your screen and click on the Templates button. This will open up the full gallery of ready-to-use Notion templates made for different areas of your life, whether it's for work, personal growth, school, or creative projects. At the top, you'll see categories like work, life, and school. Feel free to explore these depending on what you're looking for. In this tutorial, I use Aesthetic Habit Tracker. It's clean, minimal, and super useful. If you like what you see, hit the Add button. This will instantly add the template to your Notion workspace. Now, check your sidebar. The template should appear there. Click on it to open it up. And that's it. You now have a fully functional, free Notion template to start organizing your life and keeping your daily routines on track.